Aurora Gradient has been a design trend for a few years now. In graphic design and digital artwork, designers often create Aurora gradients to evoke a sense of wonder, mystery, and beauty. This gradient can be used as background, overlays, or accents in various design projects, including illustration, web design, branding, and more. Here are my steps to create Aurora gradient. So firstly, you want to use color space to know what gradient to use. If you are a beginner who is not yet familiar with the color theory, color space is a good tool. So enter the primary color and hit the generate button. Then you will see gradient on the top two options. Choose your preferred colors and paste them on Figma. Then you want to draw a circle with gradient color. Apply effect, layer blur, adjust the effect number, and then you can adjust the size of the circles to make the colors mixed up a bit better. Finally, we can add an extra glass morphic layer if you want a glass looking texture. Draw a rectangle and apply linear fill with white color. Adjust the white color to be transparent like. Apply blurry background effect and cover the frame. Now here you go, you just learned a new design trick. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you like more video, please subscribe for more video like this. Peace.